Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to find out if you can sell an item on Amazon FBA. Just before I get into the video, I just want to let you guys know that I added another episode to the Amazon FBA Skillshare course, the exclusive content that I only put on that course for Amazon FBA Canada. I have uploaded episode 11, so you guys can check that out in the description below, and you guys can get 2 months free access to that course. Alright, so I'm going to be showing you here on my phone. This is my current view right now. I had to put the shades down because it's super bright. But I've got the app right here. And let's say you've just scanned a product. You want to look down at selling eligibility. And it'll say right here, you can sell this product. So I know now that I can sell this particular product. This is on the Amazon Seller app. This is the free app that Amazon has given you to use as a scanning device. It makes your phone into a scanning device. So if I scanned the barcode of this GoPro backpack, it would tell me that I can sell this product. Now let me show you something where it shows you that you can't sell this product. So this is an example of a product that you cannot sell. This is a Lego type set. And on the picture here, you can see that it says requires approval. And then down below, you can see that selling eligibility, it says you need approval to sell products in this category. So as you can see, I can't sell this product, but that's okay because there are millions of other types of toys, appliances, products, tools, millions of other products to sell here on Amazon. Just wanted to show you one last example. So here's another example here of a product that I have actually sold. This is a water, like a slip and slide type thing. And I've sold many of this actual product. So you can see here, there's nothing on the picture that says that requires approval. And then when you scroll down to selling eligibility, it says you can sell this product. So this picture, this is gonna pop up after you've scanned the product's barcode. So every product in a store has a barcode. When you scan that, something if it's listed on Amazon, something like this is gonna pop up. The picture, if it has a rating, it's gonna pop up there. If it has a star rating, it's gonna pop up there. And the price that it's currently selling at, and if there's any other sellers, and then the features and details. But right here is you want to pay attention to is the selling eligibility. Alright guys, well that is it for this video. That is how you find out if you can sell a product on Amazon FBA Canada. Remember, it's after you scan the barcode on the free app. You can actually see it right there if you can sell it in the selling eligibility. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Back from the dead.